Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Sui Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sui Wallet application on your device. And once you open it up, you have various different options to sign up. You can either use your Google, your Twitch, as well as your Facebook account, or you may also use a passphrase in order to create a new account. In order to log in, you can tap on More Options and use your existing private key or passphrase. Go ahead and tap on Google in order to create an account using your Google account for a shortcut. After selecting your preferred account, tap on the Continue button and you will now be asked to use a PIN code or your biometrics in order to log as well as confirm your transactions within your wallet. Make sure both of these are turned on and then tap on the next option. You will be required to enter the security key of your phone, which could be your biometrics, a PIN code, a pattern, or even your Face ID. After providing the confirmation, you will now be welcomed to your Sui Wallet application account right away, and you will be asked to turn on the two-factor authentication. You can tap on I understand to proceed forward and enable this, and make sure to also check your inbox to see if you find any authentication or verification email. And after all of these steps, your newly created account on Sui Wallet is ready to use. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Sui Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.